Today I'm going to do a get ready with me with Tara from Reed's Beauty Trip. We're using our Supernatural palette from Hot Topic, and that's what that looks like. So let's get on into the look. I tried shooting this once and it turned out really bad. Sorry, I got powder on me. I just don't know if I like this palette that much. So let me start out with Werewolf and we'll just get right into the look. So yeah, I'm doing this with Reed's Beauty Trip. I will link her down below. Last month or the month before, I can't remember, we did a Nightmare Before Christmas palette, and we just take our Hot Topic palettes, like the collector's themed palettes, and we just kind of make a look with them. I'm kind of coming to the conclusion, it's probably no surprise that they're not the best quality, but it makes you use stuff that you have when you do these kind of collabs, and you kind of figure out what you like and you don't like. I really like the themes, but some of them are not the best quality. I mean, it looks okay. I'm trying to think what should I go in with. Let's go in with, don't really know. Let's go in with Abdon and kind of blend that into the, kind of make a little peekaboo like right here, but don't put it like all on the, I'm not gonna put it all the way on the lid. I'm gonna kind of leave that lid. I might just leave it blank. And I know I'm getting fallout all over my face. I'll just brush that away here in a minute. That's not too bad. I mean, it's not my favorite palette of the world, but yeah. I think this is like the first time I've used this. I got fallout all over, if you can see. Yeah. So I'm gonna get that fallout off of me as good as I can. Sorry, my hair looks weird. I got it like in a ponytail type situation, and that's like all sorts of messed up. But let's go in with, let's see. Ooh, that's just, oh, I don't know, I'm having problems with this palette. You guys, it's not my favorite. I'm gonna go in with this one, and I'm gonna put it on my eye with my finger. It's gonna probably be more neutral type of a look. I don't mind it, but I mean, it's turning out all right, you know. Wonder what Tara ended up with. When I get done with this, I'm gonna go watch hers because, like I said, I've already tried shooting this twice, and I didn't like the first time. It turned out not cute. So I'm gonna take this blue, or this white, which is called Lucifer. Why is Lucifer white? And I'm just gonna put it up here on the top. And I'm gonna put more of that abdon. I'm gonna try to make it more present. You gotta put a lot on and you get a lot of fallout. Can you see? So yeah. Maybe there's something wrong with my palette. I'm gonna watch Tara's and see what she says, but I am not liking this palette. I'm about ready to put it in the trash. You can't win them all, I guess. It doesn't look horrible, but you really gotta pack it on, and yeah. So I'm gonna take the one I used to put on my concealer. It's like a flat brush. And I'm gonna take that color that's kind of on my lid. I mean, I don't mind it. It's not bad. It's not good, but let me get this off. Oh, it stained my face. But I still gotta put the rest of my makeup on anyway, so I mean, it's not that bad. I'm gonna take some blue and put it underneath. I'm gonna take whatever that is and put it underneath my eye. Kind of just line the bottom of my eye. Not bad. Not bad, but not my favorite, like I said. I'm sorry I have this big clump coming out of my hair, but it is what it is. So I think that's that part. Let me put on some eyeliner real quick. And then I'll put on the rest of my face. And kind of give you my final thoughts. But I think you kind of already know what I'm gonna say. And maybe my palettes, I mean, it is kind of old, but I have other old palettes that, like, they're fine. Like, there's nothing wrong with them. So, I don't know. I'm gonna take the Sephora little pencil I got for, like, a sample. It's nice for your waterline. And then I will take some Perversion mascara by Urban Decay. It really don't look that bad, y'all, but formula-wise, I don't really like it. But, I mean, I guess it turned out pretty cute. So, let me smooth out my eyeliner. I don't know if anyone does this, but I do it just to smooth it out. So I'm gonna take some L'Oreal Bronze Please. I've been liking this. It's not bad at all. I'm gonna take this brush. It's the Real Affair brush. It's kind of like, it has that little, where you can get right into your face. I love this brush. And go ham with it. Uh-oh, it looks like my necklace has fallen off. I just basically use it as a choker. It's like the key of life, but maybe my neck's fatter than it used to be. I don't know, probably. But there's that. And I don't think I'm gonna put on blush. I'm just gonna put on some highlighter. Flexitarian by ColourPop. This stuff is, look, it's blinding. It's blinding, y'all. And you can just rub it around like that. It doesn't take your makeup off or anything. I do highly recommend the ColourPop ones. They're kind of like a different breed, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna take the Revlon in the color Sinister Seduction. It's a nude. Yeah, so that's my eye look. I mean, something's going on right here. It turned out pretty good. But overall, like, I like the palette because it's a collector's for Supernatural, and I watched a lot of the Supernatural. The quality ain't the best, but we came out with a decent look, I think. So anyways, tell me what you guys think below. Me and Tara are probably gonna keep this series going up. I don't have as many as she does, but So anyways, hopefully you like this video. Make sure you go down and check out Tara's channel. It's called Reed's Beauty Trip, and we try to do a collab each month with each other. So thanks for collabing with me, Tara, and I'm gonna go watch Tara's video. I bet you we'll see what she says, because I think the quality of it is not that good. But anyways, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to all my social medias, and I'll see you later. Bye.